Hi there, Feskerma, Jason and Show le video ur. Hey there, this is Jason, good afternoon. I have a new video for you. Let's look at the difference between ounce and aunan. It's the difference of a few letters, but it does make quite a big difference in meaning. Let's take a quick peek so you can improve the accuracy of your Gaelic. All right, so ounce has an S on the end. There's that S. Ounce. And what that S does is it means the. So we're looking at ounce meaning in the. Ounce. In the. So it's talking about definite things. So for example, ounce a vala vor. Right? Ounce in the city. Ounce of Alavor. Ounce of Alavor. Let's see. City. City. Very stereotypical city. Ounce of Alavor. Looks like the Buffalo Wild Wings thing, doesn't it? Ounce of Alavor. Ounce of Alavor. In the city. Right? City. Ounce of Alavor. So it's the city, so we use ounce. What about in the house? Who's in the house? Ko ha ounce and tai. Ounce and tai. Ko ha ounce and tai. Who's in the house? Tai. Another stereotypical tai. Look at that. Gleva. Bria. Ounce. Ounce and tai. Gleva. So again, ounce simply means in the. Now, one important thing to know is certain places, place names in Gaelic, especially countries, it has the in front of it in Gaelic. So let's take a look at Germany, for example. A Yaramalch. So we have a Yaramalch. A Yaramalch. And this a, if you've studied Gaelic for some time, you'll notice this a pops in front of words sometimes. This is the. And Yaramalch, Germany. A Yaramalch, the Germany. Gleva. So if we're saying in Germany, we would use ounce. Ounce a Yaramalch. Why ounce? Well, it's the Germany. So we want to say in the Germany. Gleva. So speaking about places, countries usually, not all of them have the in front of it. So aunan just means in. In. It's used for things that aren't definite, that aren't the. So aun an alapa. In Scotland. Aun and Alapa. It's not the Scotland, it's just Scotland. Right? That saltire is not... That's a bit better. Gleva. Gleva. Kind of better. Aun and Alapa. Aun and Alapa. In Scotland. And then if you're saying, I don't know, in a house. But you're not saying a specific one, just in any old house. Aunan tai. And we have our tai. Tai gleva. Aunan tai. Aunan tai. Just in a house. Aunan alapa. Aunan tai. If you've watched my videos for long enough, you know what I'm going to say next. Aunam Maine. Aunam Maine. Aunam Vacation Land. Aunam Maine. And remember, it's Aunam because Maine starts with M. It's not Aunan. Aunan becomes Aunam. And I have a video all about that I recommend watching if this is new to you. Aunam Maine, in Maine. Aunan Tai, in a house. Aunan Alapa, in Scotland. Aunan simply means in. And if we want to say in the, we need ounce. Ounce. Ounce of Alavor, in the city. Ounce and tay, in the house. It's a specific one. Ounce a Yaramulch, in Germany. Okay. Gleva. So, in summary, ounce means in the. Aunan, or aunam, just means in. Okay. Well done. Gleva. Thank you for joining me.